Welcome back to another video, and today we have got this M2 40i in for a Resonator Delete. Now the customer has just recently bought this car and he wants a bit more sound from the exhaust. Now these are 335 brake horsepower standard. We've already done a couple of M140i Res Deletes and they do make quite a bit of difference actually to the sound of the exhaust. So let's get this car in, let's get that resonator out, let's fit the new pipe in its place, and then let's have a listen to it, see what it sounds like. Let's go. There's the old resonator. As you can see, there's not actually much to these, but they do make quite a lot of difference when you remove them. Right, I've cut the Resonator Delete pipe down to size. That's a 3-inch pipe, and we're going to slot that into there. We're going to put the exhaust back on temporarily, put it into place, tack weld it in place, and we know it's in the right position.
Going down. Going down. Going down.
Very nice, very good. Shiny. He likes shiny. Right, and that's the job done. That's the new Resonator Delete fitted. I'll tell you what, it's quite a little simple job. It's quite a little simple exhaust resonator to take out, and it makes a massive difference to the sound. Now please like, subscribe, and if you had one of these, if you had an M240i, what would you do? What modifications would you do? Comment below. That's it guys, see you later. Right, today.
Oh, right, sorry. BMW M2, take one.
And today we have got this M2 140i. No.
140i?
M2. M2. M240i. M240i. We do it again then. Do your snapper thing. Take two. Don't do it so close to my head this time.
Ready? BMW M2. Oh shit. He said take two.
You've got one job.
Oh, he's daddy big beard.
No. No.
Daddy.